Conrad stumbled upon the antique typewriter in a dusty corner of the thrift store. Its keys, though weathered, called to him. Back in his dimly lit apartment, he placed it on his desk, eager to see if it still worked. The first keystroke echoed unnaturally, a chilling tremor running through his fingers. Words began to flow, almost as if guided by an unseen force. It was a stormy night when the writer heard the whispers, he typed, entranced. The room grew colder, shadows deepening. He continued. The whispers called his name, urging him to look behind. Conrad's heart raced as he felt a presence behind him. He turned, but nothing was there. Shaking off the unease, he resumed typing. The writer realized the whispers came from the typewriter itself. A low, sinister hum filled the room. The typewriter's carriage shifted on its own, keys striking violently. Panicked, Conrad tried to stop, but his fingers were no longer his own. They typed furiously. The writer's blood froze as he understood. The typewriter wanted his story. Suddenly, the keys halted. A final line appeared. The writer's final tale was never finished, for he became the story. Conrad's scream was silenced by the relentless clatter. The next morning, his apartment was empty, save for the typewriter and a half-written page. New words appeared. Who will write the next chapter?